Thanks so much for joining our video blog today. My name is Virgis Eiland with Coldwell Banker.
And my name is David Bowen with Loan Depot.
And today we'll be discussing the 7 safety tips to follow when selling a vacant home. Before we get started, I just want to highlight 2 important tools on our video blog. First, for buyers, we have the full home search. For sellers, we have the free home value report. So Dave, sometimes I will get a seller who has either been out of state or they have a investment property.
Right.
And there's really 7 tips that we can give them for having a vacant property and making sure that it's secured properly.
Right.
The first one is to make sure that you have a security system that probably have cameras and a monitoring system. Mm-hmm. I know clients that have that ring.com doorbell.
Oh, yeah, doorbell with the video camera.
Yeah, and you can look at everybody delivering the mail and everything from the palm of your hand.
That's awesome. That's awesome. I would also ask a friend or a neighbor to maybe check on it from time to time, maybe on a weekly basis.
Mm-hmm. And even pick up the mail.
Yeah, let them know that you have the lights on a timer or whatever the case is, so they kind of know a schedule.
Right.
So if something looks funny, that they notify you.
Absolutely. And as I just elocuted, you also want to have someone, or maybe even yourself, if you still live in state, check the mail every couple of days. You don't want the mail to pile up, and you don't want any Tom, Dick, or Harry to go by and see that there's a lot of mail, because then they'll know that the property is vacant.
Right, exactly. A newspaper delivery, if you have one of those, you want to make sure you turn it off.
Absolutely.
Because they'll pile up as well. Anything else?
Maintaining the landscaping, trimming the bushes, making sure that the grass is cut. I mean, we're getting into the fall-winter season, so now you won't have to cut it as much.
Right, and you want to make sure you keep all the blinds closed. And then, especially at this time of the year, all the storms, you got to check the property after a storm to make sure you don't have a sub pump problem or you lost power or anything like that.
That could be a disaster.
Yeah, and they actually have apps for that where you're notified via phone. So if the house still has power and you've got Wi-Fi in the house, all that can be monitored from a phone if the seller's out of state.
Oh, wow. I just learned something new in our own video blog. Well, thanks so much for sharing that, Dave. If you have any questions about selling your home, call me immediately, Virgis Eiland, Coldwell Banker, 312-497-1651.
And if you're looking to buy another home or refinance the current home, you can contact me at 708-705-7911.
What's your name?
David Bowen.
Have a good one, guys.